In this video, you will learn how to resolve rejected nature of business objective or the description during CAC registration. So you log into your account. Take note, kindly visit the description section of this video to access the CAC playlist so that you could watch previous videos that covers the CAC registration. So you log into your account. So whenever there is an issue with your registration, you usually get an email from CAC, or you simply log in and you'd find it at the query section. So you click on the query to know what CAC wants you to give attention to or for you to correct. So you'll be taken to this page after clicking on the queried button. Then you click on query history. So that's the place where you're going to find the information about the issue on your registration. So we'll click on query history. All right, so CAC is saying rephrase and use digital marketing, ICT training, and consultancy services in object, please. So we're going to copy the specific word or sentence they want us to change or to replace. After which, we're going to go back to the business registration page. So we quickly close this tab or drop down per se. Okay, then we'll click on the Jewish exchange. So we click on that. Okay, so you're allowed to load up. Sometimes the CAC website could be slow. Then we click on nature of business. That's where the issue is. Then we're going to click on edit. So what we want to edit is the order description. So you click on edit. Then we're going to replace what was written here with the recommended one from CAC. Okay, so we've inputted that. Then we click on add. After you click on the add, then you click on save and continue. Okay, so we're done. We're done. So everything is still in good shape. Then we'll go to our dashboard. So you click on your dashboard at the top left corner. Okay, then you click on the queried. Okay, so click on the queried. Then we mark as resolved. So it's very easy. So once you've done this, it's going to automatically submit your document afresh to the CAC team for them to review and get back to you. So you could see it's pending registration now. So that's all. So visit the description for more updates.